Now we will discuss about the tuberculin test. Tuberculin test. And it is very important that may be asked in short notes, especially in exam. So we will try to discuss first what is the principle. The principle of this, it is delayed or type 4 hypersensitivity. Delayed or type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. And the test is based on the fact that persons infected with tubercular bacilli develop hypersensitivity to the proteins of the organism. Means the proteins of tubercular bacilli. And the reagents, that is the principle. Now we will discuss the reagents which are used in this tuberculin test. So these are the two types of reagents. One is original or old tuberculin. Original or old tuberculin, and the second is PPD, that is purified protein. This is the PPD and this is the OP. And these are the two reagents which are used to test the tuberculin test. And the original or old tuberculin test was originally described by Robert Koch in his, when he found this tubercular bacilli, and he prepared a protein extract or tubercular bacillus by concentrating by tenfold by the evaporation, and a 6 to 8 week culture filtrate of bacillus grown in 5% glycerol broth. मतलब उन्होंने सीधा वहाँ से इसको बनाया, मतलब ट्यूबरकुल बेसिलाई लिए और 6 से 8 हफ्ते में इसको ग्रो करके किसमें 5% ग्लूकोज ग्लिसरॉल ब्रोथ में, एंड दिस क्रूड प्रोडक्ट, और ये जो हमारा क्रूड प्रोडक्ट है इसको सीधे पेशेंट्स में लगाया और लगाया जाता रहा. And this crude product may lead to serious reactions in some patients, and so it is used rarely nowadays. है ना? ये सीधा वहाँ से लिया और ब्रोथ में ग्रो करके इसको इंजेक्ट करते थे पेशेंट में, जिससे काफ़ी पेशेंट्स में इसके काफ़ी सीरियस इफेक्ट्स आए, इसलिए इसको आजकल हम रेयरली यूज कर रहे होते हैं. एंड सेकेंड इज द प्योरिफाइड प्रोटीन डेरिवेटिव, एंड इट वाज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय ग्रोइंग दिस माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस इन ए सेमी सिंथेटिक मीडियम, एंड दिस इज known as purified protein derivative, and that is denominated by PPD. And the doses of this PPD expressed in tuberculin units, that I tuberculin TU, हम जो यूज करते हैं PPD, that always used in TU, tuberculin units, and the test in which we are going to perform this test, that is known as Mantoux test. Mantoux test, and that is also known as MT. Mantoux test, and this method is used routinely. The technique developed by Mantoux in 1910, and it is available in 1910. And in this test we use 0.1 ml of PPD containing 5 TU, inject intradermally, मतलब बिल्कुल intradermally, and when properly performed will produce a discrete pale elevation of the skin, or that is known as wheal. That is known as wheal is arise on your forearm. And when we interpreted the test, then the tuberculin should be read in 48 to 72 hours. 48 से 72 घंटे में हम इसकी रीडिंग देखते हैं, मेजर करते हैं. And the reading is based on the presence or absence of induration, which may be determined visually and by palpation. And the erythema that is not taken into account. जो यहाँ पे लाल लाल होगा उसको नहीं, जो इंड्यूरेटेड होगा हम उसको उसका मेजर करते हैं. एंड द इंड्यूरेशन ऑफ डायमीटर देन 10 mm, 10 millimeter और मोर इज कंसिडर्ड पॉजिटिव. जो एरिथेमा होता है, ठीक है ना, जो हाथ में यहाँ एरिथेमा हुआ और हम उसको स्केल से नापते हैं, मेजर करते हैं, अगर वो 10 mm मिलीमीटर से बड़ा होगा देन वी कंसिडर इट पॉजिटिव, अदरवाइज इट इज नेगेटिव. एंड दिस पॉजिटिव tuberculin test indicates that an individual has been infected in past with or without clinical manifestations or symptoms or disease. Okay, and when the person is suffering in active condition, so this may be negative. So this is all about the tuberculin test, and there may be chances of false positive reactions or there may be a false negative test. And these false negative tests may occur especially so many conditions like early tuberculosis, in advanced tuberculosis, miliary tuberculosis, in patients with measles or other exanthematous reactions or diseases, occasionally after chemotherapy or removal of lung lesions. Advanced is immunosuppressive therapies and defective cell mediated immunity, that is also known as CMI. And there are so other many diseases in which you may find the false negative test also. And the false negative results may also be due to the infective or inactive, not infective but inactive PPD. कभी कभी ओल्ड एज या एक्सपायरी डेट की PPD हमने लगाई तो देयर विल बी ए false negative test may be done. So this is all about the tuberculin test which is done to find out the infection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So this is all about this. Thank you.